All right, this came in the mail today. I'm gonna bring it inside. All right, so here we go, guys. Just got this package in today, and I'm very excited to show you guys what's inside the box. All right, here it is. GoPro 9. And this is the bundle pack. The handler, this is a flotation grip, dual battery charger, because it doesn't come with a charger. So I had to purchase that extra, and it comes with another battery as well. Here's my 32 gig memory card that comes with it also. So that's that was in the bundle package that I got with a 1-year subscription. What's up, everyone? Hey, welcome to the channel. Got a couple things in the mail today, and I'm excited to share with you. So, bam, the GoPro 9 Black Series. This is my first GoPro I've ever owned. Purchased it last week, and it finally came in. Now, this is part of the bundle series with the 1-year subscription. So, I'll show you what's in the box. So, you got the GoPro 9, and I also had to purchase this as the dual battery charger. It didn't come with a charger at all, or an extra battery, so I went ahead and purchased this with the bundle. You do have the option to change out kind of the things that you want. And I've also got the GoPro grip. It actually floats as well, so very excited about that. And then part of the package, you get a 32 gig memory card with this as well. I have plenty, but I just wanted to get an extra one. It's free, so it does come with it. So, throw that away. Alright, so here's a video with Hypersmooth 3.0 on. Now, granted, I am on a bicycle, but I am moving around with one hand. You guys are probably hearing a lot of wind noise because I have no sound mod on this. I'm going to ride over here to my old high school and go over to this parking lot. Straight no cars coming. Nope, here we go. All right, so here's my old high school. Right there. Home of the Dyer County Choctaws. But the kids around here outgrew the school, so they turned it into a middle school. Now it's called Northview. I'm gonna check out some of these hay bales sitting out here in this field. I'm going to head back to the house and upload this video before my trip. Alright you guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a little bit today, and I apologize I didn't have much information to share with you guys. Like I said, I am new to the whole GoPro scene, but I'm going to definitely use this this coming weekend and do more review in the field, so I'll be happy to share that with you guys next time I put out a video. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them back for you. So you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.